Guys, hello.
Ito na po tayo. Tingnan niyo po ang aking reserva.
My tooth fell off.
Ito na po
Look
tayo.
at that.
Kasi
This is
makikita
my
niyo po,
tooth.
ang dami po po.
This is my tooth.
Tara, mag-tour
To
po
prove it to you, here's some blood.
Mabuti po. Kaya magkakadumi ang sapatos ko. Meron na po kami dito
Your
nilalagyan ng
tooth
coconut
hurts.
dahil magpapakitang gilas po sige.
Today, I have two teeth got out.
Medyo maputi po dito. So soon,
You took out this teeth. I took out this teeth right here. Yeah.
Medyo bushy. Hindi ko na po nakita.
So, I can have to focus on,
Tara.
or else it's kind of yummy. Anyways,
Parang may pasimento na.
but now I know what blood tastes like. It tastes like salty water because there's water in my mouth.
Maganda po
Anyways,
dito,
blood
so,
also
tira
put
lang.
cotton on it.
Magaling po talaga.
So that's all for today's video.